y'all, Rick Sky here. Welcome back to another Rogue Echo Rower video. Now within this video I'm going to show you what I do, and I do this every, 2 weeks or so. I lubricate the chain of my Rogue Echo Rower. Obviously I maintain the Rogue Echo Rower after every workout. I wipe the sweat off so it won't rust, this, that, and the other. But every 2 weeks or so I'll lubricate the chain. I'm going to show you how I do it. It's actually very simple, and the oil that I use, there's a bunch of different oils, but this is the oil that I use, and you can expand this video's description and click the link there to find where to order it online. It's super affordable, but something I do is I open the oil and I put just a few drops on the chain while it's in the resting position here. Then what I'll do is gently hold the chain, and I'll go and put some more oil here. You can extend the chain and oil it as well, but actually what I like is just the spots where I put it there. Once I do a quick row, and I'm not doing this as a workout, I'm doing this as a slow, and so see, now I just pull this out slowly, and obviously I'm not rowing, I'm doing this to lubricate the chain, so I'm just making sure that this oil on the chain is evenly distributed as the chain moves through the rower. So it's not like you have to lubricate each individual link of the chain. I mean, that's overkill. Something you could do, if you didn't want to do this for a few minutes to distribute the oil, you could use a towel or a cloth and just kind of wipe along the chain to distribute the oil. But ultimately I'm going to do a workout here in a few minutes, and that will continue to distribute the oil across the chain. So it's very easy to do. I mean, obviously, like most anything, whether it's a rowing machine or a bicycle, you want to keep that chain clean and well lubricated. The good thing about a rowing machine, typically people are using these indoors, so you don't have the challenge like with a road bike, for example, where you get grit from the road that gets caked up on the chain. At least with a rowing machine, mine I use indoors, I don't have that challenge. So all I've got to do is just lubricate the chain every few weeks or so, and that'll potentially better prevent rust, and it'll hopefully prolong the life of my Rogue Echo Rower, which is an incredible rowing machine. I mean, I'm fat now, but man, this thing is a workout. I'm going to be ripped before you know it. But that's how I lubricate the Rogue Echo Rower chain. And again, expand this video's description and click the link there to find the lubricant like I use. Super affordable lubricant. As you just saw, it was easy to put a few drops on there, and then I distributed it by moving the chain like that. Super simple. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.
Hey y'all, Rick Sky here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.